Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delight. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delight YouTube channel.
So after cutting it in half, I'm gonna lay the melon down flat like this, and I'm going to cut this in half again.
Come along everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this are the
Wow, it is so sweet, guys. Thumbs up the video.
Go eat one wait for me. I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscriber by the millions. Remember, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights. Full up your appetite. Take it from yard.
It's about an inch thick.
Straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Both yard style and international. Share up the video, make we have fun, man. DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun. Watch DD blend up the beverage, them. Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Share. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. DD. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. Come along everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them.
So here they are, guys. So now we're going to be putting these on the grill. Alright, let's go over to the stove.
Delicious Delights always have fun. Watch DD blend up the beverage, them. Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Share.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and turn these watermelon on the other side. I will be squeezing some lemon juice on them. Or if you have lime, you can also use some lime juice. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt over the watermelon. Like that, just a little pinch of salt. Guys, it smells so good. It smells so good in this kitchen. Wow, try these out. Very, very simple and nice. Try them out. Like the video, guys. Drop some comment here. Look at these, so yummy. And this is about done, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove them from the grill and come back and show it to you. All right, here you have the grilled watermelon, guys. Look how beautiful this is looking. Smells so delicious. I cannot wait to dig in it. So I added some feta cheese, you know, just for my garnishing. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Like up the video, share the video out, and tell me what you think about these grilled watermelon, and if you ever had it before. Comment and tell me how it tastes, and if you like it, Yes guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to the channel, touch the notification bell to all. It will alert you every time when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support guys. Be kind to yourselves, put God first in everything that you're doing. Be good, walk good, be kind, yes guys, to yourselves, so you will know how to show kindness to others. Walk good, be good, do good. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but it's okay, and good will always follow you. Thank you so much again for your support. More blessings to you guys. Love you all. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye guys.
Delicious Delights YouTube channel. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel. Come along, everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel? Well, share it up, cause this are the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscribers by the millions. Mama, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delights. Full up your appetite. Take it from yard straight.